everything though.
Safety first.
I mean, you know what I'm saying? Is this close?
No. You got no power.
The motor's still, I'm not doing that. The motor's still kind of fucking on it. Why the doors unlocked? So I gotta get these dimples right here. Oh shit, steering wheel's turning. There's one right here. So the steering wheel's not straight. Maybe I should have straightened that before I did all this.
You should do a manual. It should let you before it locks.
No.
Oh.
Yeah, power steering won't do that. Because the wheels are turning.
You sure? Hmm? Yeah. The starting process of destroying your car. You might need to look under that.
I can't see it.
And cut for now.
Yeah, make up, make out. I mean,
Yes. Just a little. Destroying this new M5. This guy's crazy. But it's his, so let him. Beautiful interior though.
Bam!
Uh-oh. Look at here. Now that his bald head. Alright, so you know which ones you need to disconnect?
Yeah, anything that's gonna be attached to the car. So I need to get this one off.
Don't break it.
No. I don't think I got enough money to replace that.
Nah, the car just be sitting here. Looking
I just
good.
This with no goddamn stare back.
No, that's not gonna fly. Can't do that.
Stare back. Fuck it. Around the move.
I hope it won't recording from my earpiece, but if it was, oh well. Sure, that's the one.
Anything connected to the car, I need that. I got soft fingers. I don't do no manual labor in my life. I haven't done manual labor in years.
I believe you. I truly believe you. If it was up to you, you probably had us at the shop, but they gonna charge you too much.
Probably wouldn't do it. Alright.
You need some light to see that one.
Yeah. There's a little clip. So it won't go come off anyway. And then
Boy, got it.
16 millimeter bolt.
Alright.
Like mosquitoes. 16 millimeters. Just gotta get that.
Beautiful M5.
It's upstairs. I have wrist straps in my bag for this. Yeah. Sure do. I gotta get in the house anyway.
Alright.
Change everything over.
Hey. We're gonna have to speed up. It's raining.
All I need to do is get the steering wheel out. Everything else is in the house.
Alright. Quad exhaust, diffuser. Carbon roof. Oh, he done destroyed it.
Destroyed it.
Tore it apart.
That's it, man.
Only had it for a day.
That's a 16mm.
He busted it down.
Hold up. Pause. Yeah. Pause. Pause. Yeah. Pause.
It might be.
There's some shit in there that shouldn't be in there. Video's too long.
Exclusive.
That's the video clip's too long.
This guy's a mechanic. He can tear your car apart and fix your plane. What'd you say?
This is true.
I know.
I don't fix the phone either, so.
That's why he doesn't do any work. Paper pusher. Transfer all that to this one and make sure it works correctly. Or he just wasted a lot of money. That should have pulled that nail, that screw out.
That's the front paddle screw. Back paddle screw.
Okay.
It's looser than it was. Okay. I'm gonna take this do that. Shit, man. It's wicked.
Okay. Back to retract real quick. When taking this off, there's some screws hidden back there to release the paddle. One on each side. Once you do that, you flip it over and get the screws from under the paddle, then slowly pry it up. And you will start to remove the face for your old steering wheel to replace it with the new one. We didn't really say all that in the video. Really didn't show much of it, because it is a nice little trick that a lot of people left out.